To know how many people actually feel like they're worth nothing. Every single girl right here, right now, I want you to know that you are beautiful. You are gorgeous just the way you are. And you boys, you're the man. On this DVD, I share my experiences in life of how I've overcome challenges and seen a new, fresh perspective in life. To be thankful, to dream big, and to never give up. I speak to children, youth, and adults about key issues and principles that I've applied in my life that has given me the strength to conquer all that comes before me.
Saved here on this computer, so you all can take this presentation. If I send through email, I have to cut it into parts. I cut it into 3-4 parts and then 4 parts separately I attach. My website is www. Then write my name jesrandhawa.in.
Thank you, sir.
I was the milestones in gene and genome research. I think we'll have to invite Professor Randhawa some other time because already it's around 2 hours. So we'll be next time. So I will request.
Being a true saint, that do something good and don't tell to others, so that they strictly keep their lives secret and do good things. And I will tell you few aspects of Kalpana's life, which you were not. Kalpana was a saint in the true sense. Kalpana was a saint. You know her as an astronaut, but you do not know the other aspects of her personality. She was a saint in the true sense. She was sleeping on floor. She was not wearing any ornaments, no cosmetics, nothing. So very minimum she was spending on her clothes, and she was keeping only one shoe, getting that repaired again and again. She was having only one pair of shoes, and then she was cooking her own meal. She had no washing machine, she was washing her own clothes. And during her lifetime, her parents couldn't know where she was spending money. She was not going to parties, not spending money on parties. After her death, her family came to know that she was spending most of her salary on the education of poor children of all over the world. Children of so many countries, poor children, on their education, I think probably she was spending 95% of her salary. And she didn't tell anybody. During her lifetime, nobody could know except those children. When she died, then those children came to Chawlaji and they told that for you only daughter has gone, but for us everything is gone. So we have become, without her, we have become very poor. So that was Kalpana Chawla. So how many youngsters would like to follow her life? And she was a very lover of nature, wanted to do everything for the sake of environment. So Banasi Lal Chawla ji is 81 years old and he is a very active person. He gets up 5 in the morning, remains active, works the entire day. So he would be happy if somebody wants to talk. I can give his number. Maybe later you can talk and you will be very much inspired by that. So. Thank you. No, time is not that I had scheduled another popular lecture, but this has taken so much of time. It's very, moreover, the second lecture is specialized one. I'll come again for those biotech students because that is confined only to biotech students. This lecture had a broader appeal. I'm very happy that students gave good feedback and many students have been inspired, particularly those who came here on the stage who talked to Chawla ji. They were saying, they conveyed to me that one of them said that I was passing through very low stages of my life and this encouragement was necessary. So I hope that all of you got a bit. I'm a very ordinary person, I have very little abilities. I feel encouraged and happy. Can you guide me that should I deliver this lecture again at some place or not? How many among you think that their life has changed today? Can you raise hand that whose life has? Thank you very much. I am very happy. Wish you good luck. All the best. So please direct me on my left.
The Center for Excellence. Okay, this time I visited all the classes, but each time it won't be possible after every 2 weeks. So if you get the email, okay, we'll be having email ID. Just give the same importance to this and okay, try to attend all these lectures. And this is no compulsion. Again and again we are saying it is totally up to you. And I'm sure that you all would be really benefited from all these lectures. This is a series which we have started to create interest for teaching, learning and research in this institute. I think together all, we have to improve the quality of the overall teaching, learning and research process. Okay, thanks a lot. I would like to thank you once again to be over here.
Sir, Mr. and Ms. Gaur, sir, can you please come and give a vote of thanks to sir?
Respected Director, Professor D.K. Sharma, my faculty colleagues, and most valued invited guests, and my loving students. It's my privilege to have asked to propose the vote of thanks on this occasion. And on behalf of Multidisciplinary Center of Excellence and the SCST, on my behalf, I extend a very hearty vote of thanks to Professor Randhawa to deliver such an inspiring talk. I have no word to appreciate the talk delivered by the Professor Randhawa, but what I could learn from this talk, what we are doing, that is, we have to go into the depth of the subject and we should have the lesson feeling. I give thanks to Professor Randhawa for his efforts to deliver this talk. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation for the detailed explanation of how to be successful in academic and professional life. We are all inspired by your valuable talk. We are also thankful to create the potential among the students. Hope that our students, our technocrats, to take up the future task to make India number one. Last but not least, we are highly thankful to all whosoever involved to make this program success. Thank you very much.
Thank you all of you to listen so patiently and so carefully. I think you all have benefited from this talk. Thank you.